Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mercedes C-Class door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools to avoid damage. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, a Torx T20 screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and protect your vehicle's interior. Let's get started by preparing the work area. Now, let's begin by removing the small trim piece located behind the door handle. Use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry it away, revealing two Torx T20 screws. Unscrew these fasteners and keep them safe. Next, gently unclip the window switch panel. This usually pops out with a little leverage from your trim tool, exposing more connections underneath. With the initial screws out, check for any other hidden fasteners around the perimeter of the door panel. Once all screws are removed, use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the edges, releasing the plastic clips that secure the panel to the door frame. Work your way around the entire panel. After all clips are free, lift the panel straight upwards to disengage it from the window channel. Finally, with the panel loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. Also, unhook the door handle cable. Before reassembly, inspect all clips on the panel for any damage and replace them if necessary to ensure a secure fit. To reinstall, reverse the steps, making sure all clips align and the panel seats correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.